Hi, this is Michael Pariente, and I'm talking to you from my conference room here at the Pariente Law Firm PC, and I'm located at the Howard Hughes Center here in Las Vegas, Nevada. I wanted to talk to you today about the guilty verdict of Aaron Hernandez. Earlier today, a jury of 12 found Mr. Hernandez guilty, and the judge sentenced him automatically to life without the possibility of parole. I wanted to talk to you briefly about what Mr. Hernandez's options are. There are two types of appeals that he will probably look to file. The first is going to be what's called a direct appeal. In a direct appeal, his lawyer will argue that the judge made an error of not allowing evidence that he wanted to have presented, or that the judge made an error in the sense of letting in evidence that the prosecution wanted but Mr. Hernandez objected to. If the judge made what is called a harmful error, then that means that the trial would be, the verdict would be overturned and he would be given the right to a new trial. If the error was harmless, that means that there was a mistake, but it was not of such a magnitude that it prejudiced his Sixth Amendment right to a fair trial. Generally, direct appeals, are not successful. The other option that he has, it's also a long shot, it's something called ineffective assistance of counsel. What he has to argue is that his trial counsel, lawyers who represented him in the trial in Boston, Massachusetts, that they made such a mistake that it prejudiced his right to a fair trial. So they have to prove two things: that there was a mistake that trial counsel made, maybe in not trying to investigate the case correctly, or not trying to admit certain evidence, or failing to object to certain evidence coming in, that they made a mistake and that mistake cost him a fair trial, that it prejudiced him and denied him the right to a fair trial. That's a very tough standard to prove. From what I've seen, it doesn't look like he has much hope as far as with a direct appeal or an appeal arguing ineffective assistance of counsel. If you have an appellate issue that you'd like to discuss with me, I'd be more than happy to meet with you here at my office. If you're calling from out of state, give me a call. We'll set up a time and I'll talk to you. As always, the first consultation is free. I look forward to hearing from you, and I look forward to telling you what I can do for you.